application. So we have our first skill where we've learned it, we've got it. We're going to take off the runner, the patient hat, the learning hat, and now we're going to be teaching. This is the process where you're going to actually do this. This will be how you transfer this skill to somebody else. And there's going to be a video in a second of me actually demonstrating this exact process. But how do we learn? Through experiences, through doing. Just talking, we're not going to get it. So first, you're going to see, I'm going to demonstrate. I'm going to demonstrate this skill. And as I'm doing it, I'm saying out loud these cues. First, hips over ankles, shoulders over hips. That's step one. Step two, set. And I'm going to literally talk through this. As I'm doing it, they're watching, they're hearing it, they're seeing it. You're going to perform that 3 times. With time, with each rep, you don't have to say all this. Once you see that they're getting it, they're getting it. Because I want it to be where you just say stable stack and somebody just automatically does it. But to get to that point, to get there fast, this is how we do it. This is the order and the operation. This facilitates and enhances learning super fast. You'll see in this video, it's 3 minutes long. I'm speeding up so you don't have to sit there for 3 minutes, but in 3 minutes was this process to upload, and they downloaded that information and they got it. And then those build. Typically you don't do multiple skills in one session because we want people to have the time to truly let it sink and to get it, but you can do it faster. Depends on each situation. So here's the process. Demonstrate 3 times, and then this starts their clicker, their reps. There are 10 times. They're going to do this 10 reps. On their 10th rep, they've got it. They've automated it. They don't need you to tell them if you got it right or wrong. They know. And you give them that validation by saying, hey, here's the criteria. You're watching and you're giving them that. So you're going to see after I demonstrate, we're syncing up. We're doing it together. Then they're mimicking. I'm doing it, they're watching, then they do it. Then they're doing it, and I just give them validation, so I'm not doing reps at that point. And then the 10th rep, it's automated. Because we want to give people the criteria that tells them, yes, you've got this. Because until we have that, if they keep doing it and they never know if they're doing it right or wrong, then no, they won't truly learn it yet. But by knowing the criteria, by giving them that, by automating it, they have it. And then we can move on. So go and take a look.